Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle legends ever crafted, the 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Custom Convertible. A car that blends classic vintage styling with modern custom craftsmanship, turning an already legendary machine into a rolling piece of art. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and what makes this custom Corvette a masterpiece worth remembering. Exterior. The first thing that hits you is the exterior. The 1967 Corvette already had one of the most aggressive and beautiful designs of the 60s, but this custom version takes it to another level. The long sculpted hood, the sharp fender lines, and the iconic hidden headlights give it that unmistakable stingray attitude. Many custom models feature a deep metallic paint job, midnight black, candy red, or electric blue, that glows under the sunlight. The chrome bumpers, side pipes, and polished grille add a layer of vintage charm, while the wider stance and upgraded alloy wheels make the car look more planted and athletic. The convertible top folds down smoothly, turning this Corvette into the perfect open-air cruiser. Interior. Step inside and the interior welcomes you with a refined mix of old-school craftsmanship and modern upgrades. The custom leather seats are stitched to perfection, offering comfort far beyond the factory models of the 60s. The dashboard retains its classic twin-cowl Corvette design but may include digital gauges, a premium sound system, and updated controls hidden cleverly to maintain the original look. The wooden or billet aluminum steering wheel adds a touch of retro elegance, while the upgraded carpeting, chrome trim, and center console give the cabin a truly premium feel. It's a space where nostalgia and modern convenience come together beautifully. Performance. Now let's talk performance, because a Corvette is never just about looks. Under the hood of many custom 1967 convertible builds, you'll find a modern high-performance V8. Some feature a 350 small block, others go all out with LS or big block engines pushing well over 400 horsepower. This transforms the car from a 60s cruiser into a genuine street beast. Paired with upgraded suspension, disc brakes, and performance exhausts, the car delivers smoother handling, sharper responsiveness, and a deep muscle car roar that turns heads wherever it goes. The acceleration is exhilarating, and with the convertible top down, the driving experience is pure adrenaline and nostalgia combined. In conclusion, the 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Custom Convertible is more than just a classic car, it's a statement piece. It represents the golden era of American performance, enhanced with modern engineering and artistic customization. From its stunning exterior and luxurious interior to its powerful heart under the hood, this Corvette captures the spirit of freedom, speed, and individuality. Whether you're a collector, a muscle car fan, or someone who simply loves automotive beauty, this custom 1967 Corvette convertible stands as one of the finest examples of style and performance blended into one unforgettable machine.